In front of me is Honor Pad 9, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then click on Google. Now select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and this switcher next to use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see my switcher, and all of those features are gray, which means that Autofill is off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!